Congruent shapes. Two figures with exactly the same shape and size are called congruent figures. Some transformations leave the size and shape of a figure unchanged. These include rotations, reflections, translations, similar shapes. Two figures with the same shape but a different size are called similar figures. These circles shown are similar because their shape is the same, but they are different sizes. These squares shown are also similar. In similar shapes, all the corresponding angles are equal. All the corresponding lengths are in the same ratio. Reflectional symmetry. A two-dimensional shape has reflectional symmetry if it can be divided into two halves, one being the mirror image of the other half. Rotational symmetry. A two-dimensional shape has rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself two or more times in a turn. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of times a shape can fit onto itself. What is the order of symmetry for the shape shown? 4. Planes of symmetry. Cuboids. A three-dimensional shape has a plane of symmetry if the plane divides the shape into two halves and one half is the mirror image of the other. A cube has 9 planes of symmetry. A square-faced cuboid has 5 planes of symmetry, as shown. A rectangle-faced cuboid has 3 planes of symmetry. Planes of symmetry, prisms. The number of planes of symmetry in a prism depends on the shape of its base. Triangular-based prisms can have varied planes of symmetry. Equilateral triangular-based prisms have 4 planes of symmetry, as shown. Isosceles triangular-based prisms have 2 planes of symmetry. Irregular triangular-based prisms have 1 plane of symmetry. Hexagonal-based prisms have 7 planes of symmetry, as shown. Planes of symmetry, cones. A cone can be split by a plane of symmetry at any point around its circular base. Planes of symmetry, pyramids. The number of planes of symmetry in a pyramid depends on the shape of its base. A square-based pyramid has 4 planes, as shown. A regular pentagonal-based prism has 5 planes, as shown. A non-regular pentagonal-based prism has only 1 plane of symmetry. Congruent triangles. 2 triangles are congruent if all their sides are equal, or they share an angle sandwiched between 2 sides of equal length, or there is a right angle in each triangle and the hypotenuse and one side are equal.